Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to download and install the Internet Download Manager onto your PC. This IDM is very powerful that it will directly captures and downloads the any video or audio file from the web page itself. That means you don't need the download option to download any video or audio files. It will also download the any file in any format. Another awesome features of this is if the download is interrupted by any internet issues, we can resume it even after a month without re-downloading the whole file. To download this IDM, first open your favorite browser. Now search for Internet Download Manager and hit enter. This is the official website for downloading the IDM. I will leave a link in the description so that you can directly download from there. Now scroll on. Now click on this Try Internet Download Manager for free. The download has been started. The download has been completed. Now locate this executable file in the File Explorer. This is it. Now right click on this and run it as the administrator. Click on this S button. Now click on next. Read these terms and conditions. If you accept this, click on next. Leave this to defaults and click on next. Hit on this next button. The installation of IDM has been completed. This shows how to add IDM to our browsers. Now let us open our Chrome browser. It is showing the error. Click on these three dots. This shows new extension added IDM integration module. Now enable this in order to use the IDM on our browser. Hit on this enable extension. Now click on this puzzle button and now pin this to our extensions of our Chrome browser. Let me show you how this IDM really works. Let us open the YouTube. This is a video on the YouTube. This shows us download this video. That means the IDM really works and we can download any audio or video files directly from the web page itself without having a download option. Now click on this download this video. There are so many resolutions that are available for us. Hit on this start download button to download the video. Now let us open this IDM on the desktop. This is it. There is a registration option for this. Now hit on this order online. The IDM is not free to use, it is a paid version. These are the various prices available for this IDM. Choose one in order to enjoy the services of this IDM. And moreover, the IDM is free for use up to 1 month. So you can enjoy this IDM for up to 1 month without paying a single penny. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.